Your next car could be the 2020 Mazda CX-3. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Prepare to fall in love with this fun-loving CX-3. From its sporty upscale feel to its invigorating ride to its array of creature comforts, this subcompact crossover makes your daily drive something to look forward to. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: head-up display, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels. Rediscover the joy of driving in this sporty CX-3. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.